Hello, my name is Joe Halfman and I'm a Senior Solution Consultant with fourTENS. I'm going to show you how we can use some simple CSS and JavaScript injection into SmartForms to enhance a user's experience and improve the look and feel of list views. So first off, I'm going to start with a list view that I built, and it's using the standard blue void theme. And as such, you'll see that we've got our header here on our view is just a white background, as well as our headers on our list views are gray, and they really don't stand out. In addition to that, you'll see I've got a banner up here, this banner header, and it has certain color themes, for example, for our fourTENS logo. So you see we've got kind of this dark, very dark navy, as well as this orangish red color. So what I'd like to do is actually change my column headers on my list view to match that dark view of my header. And then also I want to do some conditional formatting. You'll see down here we've got some items that have a status of important, and I'd like that to stand out more. So those that are important, I'd like to have to be a background color and highlighted with this orange-red color. As well as I'm going to illustrate some conditional selections that we can do, as well as selecting all items in a list, so that if we needed to do some processing or mass updating or something like that, we can easily accommodate that. So you'll see here, this is what I call my no style form. Now I'm going to actually reload this, and now we've applied the CSS and JavaScript, and you'll notice right away our header here now has a nice light gray to stand out from the rest of the view. We also filled in that dark gray background color as well, so that everything looks nice that way. And then here are the column headers for the list view that match the header colors here for the fourTENS. And you'll see that the important items in this list are actually highlighted in that same reddish orange color. So it has a nice look and feel, and it matches our theme of our colors for fourTENS. Also, if I wanted, I can do this select new, and what this will do is I'll actually conditionally select the new items in the list. So you'll see when I click this, it highlights and it actually selects these. This is actually the equivalent of me manually going in and using the control to individually select the items like a person would have to do here. And instead, we can just select all of them with just one button. And then to actually illustrate the power of this, I've got a dialog that pops up that actually shows us an ID list that we're building. So again, if we wanted to do a mass update of these items, we could pass this list into a database as a delimited list and then process them on the SQL Server side. So you'll see I've got the 239, 245, 260, 272, and that matches the exact ones that we have highlighted here. I can go ahead, I'll refresh once again, and now I can also easily select all, and once again I'll illustrate we've got all the IDs of those items selected. And I could just as easily unselect them as well. So these are just some of the things that are possible with a little bit of knowledge of CSS and JavaScript injection into these SmartForms and these list views. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us and we can help you set these up as well. Thank you.